To make a perfect skirting board of 2 boards, we'll outline the ledge on the floor. Based on these projections, we'll make marks on the boards and then we'll make a cut at an angle. Ready? They fit fine. To get rid of dirt and dust in the suitcase, take a vacuum cleaner and fix the whole bunch of tubes on it. Now you can collect all the dust and not vacuum out anything extra. No matter how hard you try, it's quite difficult to cut a circle with an electric jigsaw. We'll need a wooden circle. We'll make it with a special nozzle. Now you'll cut it in half. Attach a wooden stick to the semicircle and hammer a nail into half. Our can opener is ready. If you can't fix the level vertically in any way, just put a magnet inside. See how simple it is? If you cut the closed package with the clamps a little, then it's convenient to get them one by one and store without fear that they will be lost. When working with a nail gun, it's important to direct it at the right angle. See how I do it? Absolutely no traces. If you insert a wooden plug into a screwdriver and start drilling the board, then you can make a fire. Here's a life hack. If you can't unscrew the screw, just cut off the extra part. If the length of the press is not enough, then just use another one. The effect will be the same. And if you lack strength to unscrew the hexagon by hand, just cut off a part and use a nozzle for a screwdriver. With a screwdriver, you can sharpen pencils. Oops! It seems we overdid it. Beautiful sawdust. To straighten the wire, clamp it in a vise and use a screwdriver. Rusty drills are very unreliable. And if you cut the cap off the nail, it'll make an excellent drill. We make such a construction from 2 boards and 2 bars. It works like a slider. Now we'll install a wooden stick on the machine. We'll glue our construction to it, in the center of which we'll place the hexagonal dowel. We make markings and use the machine to make holes in the board. Then combine them with a jigsaw. Now we'll attach 2 wheels to our slider. We install an adjustable mount in the hole. Now working with wood will become much easier. The slider will control the movement of the bars on the machine. If there's still paste left in the balloon that the press cannot squeeze out, just put a wooden cylinder. It will help. To collect these screws quickly from the surface, pull a sock on the vacuum cleaner. It'll pull the screws inside, and you're done. And that's how you clean fish from the scales. Using a regular stationary clip, you can attach a pencil to the meter and immediately draw lines. We'll disassemble the handle, cut the body at an angle, then glue it in the form of a hook. Insert the rod inside and connect it to the screwdriver. See what patterns? Let's take a tile and stick several strips of double-sided tape on it. Now we'll glue several strips of sandpaper of different hardness to this tape so that we can sharpen the several stages. Let's take an old jigsaw and get started. First, we sharpen on the softest, then on the tougher. On the third, we'll add a little water to get rid of steel dust in parallel. And finally, after 4 stages, our jigsaw is complete as new. Just look at how easy it removes wood shavings.